In the past, you tried creating multiple accounts but couldn't verify them, so FACEIT still sees those accounts connected to your Steam. Now both you and your brother have verified FACEIT accounts, but since the system doesn't differentiate well between twins on the same PC and one person making multiple accounts, it automatically flagged you. #Astrid, what you should do, step by step. 1. Gather proof. Prepare government IDs for you and your brother, passport, national ID, driver's license. Make sure the names match your Steam FACEIT accounts. Write down the timeline clearly, like you did in your message. Which account belongs to you, which to your brother, and when each was created. 2. Open a FACEIT support ticket. 1. Go to FACEIT support. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Select account issues, account banned, flagged. 3. In your ticket, explain you are twins using the same PC and network. Provide both your FACEIT profile links. Attach scans, photos of IDs, blur sensitive info except name and DOB. Clearly state, we are different people, not account sharing. We play separately but on the same computer connection, which might have triggered the flag. 3. Avoid suspicious activity. Don't log into each other's accounts. Always stick to your own account. If possible, use separate Windows user accounts so FACEIT AC detects less overlap. 4. Wait for review. FACEIT usually takes 3 to 7 days to review ID cases. If your ID is valid, they'll unflag your account. If denied, you can appeal once with stronger proof, e.g. screenshots showing your brother's account is new and separate. Important notes, FACEIT only allows one main account per person for life. Even if you made unverified ones in the past, only the verified one should remain active, but you must prove the others were test attempts, not smurfs. If FACEIT believes it was intentional account sharing or boosting, they may deny appeals. Being transparent plus providing ID is the only way to clear this up. I can help you